Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 5, Exercise 5.2, Question number 8, fourth subdivision. Identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices. So first what I do, let me replace this y minus 2 as capital Y and x plus 1 as capital X. So in that case the equation is capital Y square by 25 minus capital X square by 16 is equal to 1. See, actually the sign between the two terms is minus sign, so it is a hyperbola, represents a hyperbola. Represents a hyperbola. See, and also the first term actually hyperbola, it should be x squared by a square minus y squared by b squared. But here we have the y term. Therefore, transverse axis is parallel to y-axis. You will get parallel to y-axis in terms of small x and small y if you get. And it is a type 2 hyperbola. Type 2 hyperbola. Let me draw the hyperbola for this case. See, origin capital X, capital Y, y dash. And see the transverse axis is parallel to y-axis. You will get a transverse axis parallel to y-axis. So I draw this hyperbola here along the y-axis. So directrices you will get that parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. So therefore y is equal to constant. Y is a by e and y is equal to minus a by e. Center C is 0. All these in terms of capital X and capital Y. Then in terms of small x and small y, we have to use the tabular column. Let me mark the center. A, positive side, negative side A dash. So 0 comma A will get x value 0. So 0 comma minus A. And then focus here S and S dash, 0 comma AE and 0 comma minus AE. So this is a hyperbola question here. So A squared is here, you will get here 25 and B squared value is 16. B squared, A squared value is the denominator of y value and the denominator of x value here 16. And what about that? A is equal to root of 25, you will get 5. E is equal to root of 1 plus b squared by a squared. So root of 1 plus b squared, 16 by 25. So you take LCM and add, 25 is your LCM. 25 plus 16, so you will get 41. So root of 41 by root of 25 is 5 here. Next find AE, because we need to find for to focus here AE term and A by E term. So AE is equal to, A is 5 and E is root 41 by 5. 5 gets cancelled, you will get root 41 is your AE. What is A by E? A is 5, E is root 41 by 5. So 5 into 5 by root 41. So 25 by root 41. This is your A by E. See, we have the tabular column. Let me write the hyperbola equation here. Y squared by 25 minus capital X squared by 16 is equal to 1. see, this is in terms of x and y, and here you will get in terms of small x and small y. So just write what is small x and small y. So what you have taken capital X as here, x plus 1. So small x is x minus 1. Capital Y, y minus 2. Small y is y plus 2. So capital X minus 1. So small x is capital X minus 1. Small y is capital Y plus 2. Plus 2. Center, see just as it is here, 0, 0. Capital X value 0, capital Y 0. Substitute here. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. Center is minus 1 and 2. Next is vertices. Two vertices here. First vertices is A. 0 comma A, you will get A dash 0 comma minus A. So what is the value of A here? 5. 0 comma 5. And A dash is 0 comma minus 5. So these two are vertices for the hyperbola in terms of capital X and capital Y. And for small x and small y, A is here. A is, substitute capital X as 0, you will get minus 1. And capital Y is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. A dash, capital X as 0. So you will get same minus 1. Capital Y is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Minus 1, minus 3. Two vertices. And then foci. Two focus here. One is 0 comma AE, S dash 0 comma minus AE. We got the value of AE by calculation root 41. So 0 comma root 41. And here this is 0 comma minus root 41. Just replace capital X as 0. So you will get minus 1. And capital Y is root 41. So root 41 plus 2. And what about S dash? Same capital X is 0. So minus 1 minus root 41. Plus 2. Here capital Y is root 41. 2. Next is directrices. Directrices I have shown you. Y is A by E, and again here Y is minus A by E. So you can write here Y is A by E. And y is minus a by e. So that is y is equal to a by e value is 25 by root 41. 25 by root 41. Here minus 25 by root 41. So now here what about small y here? Small y. Here we got in capital Y. Small y is y plus 2. Capital Y plus 2. Capital Y here 25 by root 41 plus 2. And small y is minus 25 by root 41 plus 2. You can combine and write here y is equal to plus or minus 25 by root 41 plus 2. You can also write this one. See, with that this problem is over. Thank you.